What's up, guys? Welcome back to Wrenching Wrecked. We got a beautiful day. I mean, it's windy. It's real windy. Calling for tornado advisories tonight, but it is hot. I don't know. Only in the Midwest, but it is currently 75 degrees, which is ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. 75 degrees. And Saturday, thunderstorms, and Sunday, 40% chance of snow. So we don't get much of this, but up at the barn, I got the oil filter for the water, or the separator for the compressor, got new hinges for the compressor. So hopefully I can start messing around with that, but it is way too nice. It is a Friday, I just got off with a day job. And the primary stuff, I have a million things I need to be doing that I could actually use this time for, but it's way too nice out, and when you get days like this, I feel like you gotta capitalize on them. So, Softail is be nice and easy. I think we're gonna try the chopper. It's on the outside of the row, but we're gonna fire this thing up, hopefully. Well, I'm gonna roll it out and then try and fire it up, and if not, I'll probably just jump on another bike, but hopefully that'll go. This is the first start of the spring, I guess. Hopefully it's got gas, I don't know. We'll see. Let's roll this thing over here and make a bigger mess of stuff, because I have crap everywhere. And blow the dust off of this thing. Ugh. Ugh. But whatever. Not a show bike, just a rider. I think we got enough air in the tires. Yeah, we should be okay there. Maybe top that one off real quick before we leave. Yeah, I'll fire up the compressor, just make sure I got air in the tires, and then oil in the tank. Hopefully a little bit of gas to at least make it to a gas station to freshen that up, and maybe go for a ride. I don't have anything to bring you guys along for a ride along, unfortunately, but let's see how the first start of the year goes. Fingers crossed. All right, moped, out of the way. Plenty of gas. Half a 3/4 of a tank. Choke on. Click that on, let that start filling. It's probably gonna fill the bowl and start leaking. Let me click this compressor on real quick so I can top off the tires before I forget. One of these days I'll get around to fixing that instead of just letting it bleed down all the time. But man, riding in a t-shirt in March, kind of crazy. So, is this thing pissing yet? Nope. Sometimes for that first start of the year, the choke will get a little wonky. See if I can remember how to do this, huh? Gas is on. Everything else should be good. Oh crap, the exhaust mount's broken on this. That's okay. I'll roll the MIG over and throw a tack on there. Did forget about that one. All right. 5 or 6 squirts for the first one. Key off. Choke on, ignition on. Come on, baby. Whew. That was almost a one kicker. I might have over-gassed it. I think we did. Do a couple of these and let her think I do it every year. I always expect this is gonna be really thirsty. But it's got a CV, so it never actually needs it. I think that's exactly what I did last year too, but there we go. I'll take it. If only my choke would stay out. That's right. Choke cable might need some love. This is supposed to stay out. Watch it return. All right, let me grab some air. We'll freshen up these tires. Oh, that's right here. Just kidding. Come on. I'm gonna have to tighten this up. Shut the compressor down, then take a little bit of time to enjoy myself. Then maybe we'll hunker down and work on that primary tonight. We'll be back. I'm gonna weld that exhaust. This is not the actual fix for the exhaust, it's a quick one. I gotta put bigger stock in here. Down and very dirty weld. Didn't clean anything, I don't care. Probably could have done that while I was working on it and welding, but that is A-okay. Let's hit the road here. Man, it feels like summer. That's the worst. Absolutely. I mean, it's great to get a nice day, but for it to be this nice, this early, now I'm kind of in summer mode. And we are ways off from that. Like I said, 75 degrees today. comfortable riding in a t-shirt and snow on Sunday. God, make up your damn mind, huh? All right, well, there's sticks all over this, but it's back together enough to hold for the day. That little mount needs to get cut out, and I need to put a bigger piece in there. That's cracked a couple times. I don't necessarily think it's from riding, but more when I'm storing bikes or jamming this. Like, I've hit that pipe on so many things or on the trailer and had boxes jammed up against it. Doesn't like that, so should be good. Trans oil, I know I topped off last time we went out. We'll double check the dipstick. After running it, plenty in there. We are good to go. I did not go through and do any of my winter prep like I usually do. Normally all the bikes by now are warmed up, oil change, fresh fluids, ready to hit the road, but this is not one of those days. So enjoy it while you can and get out there and ride. We'll be back. Well, made it back. Chopper is running like a top, per usual. No complaints there. I did have to tighten down the gas tank bolts. Those walked out on me a little bit, but as far as I can tell, everything else seems pretty good on there. Stupid exhaust push rod. It's still got hydraulics in it, so it gets a little clattery as it warms up. But overall, can't complain. Got the gas turned off. I'm basically just running it till the float bowl runs dry, and we'll yank that back in here. I gotta move the welder and make a little bit of space, but we'll just pull that in, jam that there. My oil for the compressor didn't show up, so GoPro died. Shovelhead primary is gonna wait another day or two. I'll mess with that at some point, hopefully this weekend, if not beginning of next week. I ran the gas out on the Shovelhead. I like doing that, I don't know why, but basically run it till the float bowl's dry. It dies, click your key off. Now that's ready to park until we want to throw fuel back in there. I don't like keeping fuel in the bowls for extended periods of time, but I'm feeling good. It was a good little rip around. Felt really, really good to get back on a bike, even though it was 10, 15 minutes of putzing around. Local, went over to my buddy's shop, kind of hung out there for a bit, and man, it's been a long time since I had a free minute of not actually wrenching on things, not working on things, whatever else it may be. That was much needed since we got thunderstorms rolling in tonight and potential snow for Sunday. I don't imagine it's going to amount to much, but it is what it is. And then we might be doing some city stuff this week, and unfortunately, I hate going down there. And then following up next weekend, we might be going to a bike show. I'll keep you guys posted on that if I remember what it's called or get any more of the info. Small little kind of art gallery setting thing. But my brother just had a kid. They let down in the city. So maybe a little bit of bouncing back and forth. Go to the bike show, hang out over there, do all of the city adventures in one day. We'll see. Let's roll this in, pack it up. Daddy's making dinner. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna relax today and start fresh tomorrow, and I'm sure I'll be running around like crazy the rest of the weekend. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all those other fun things. If it's nice by you, go in the garage and start your bike, even if it takes a while. Start kicking until your leg goes numb, and then rip around and forget that you're miserable for trying to kickstart things. Good day. First time rolling the chopper out for the beginning of the season. I think we were less than 10. I don't know. You'll tell me, you'll see it, but that's what they're supposed to do most of the time. The only reason it didn't, I overflooded it. Go figure. Go with your normal starting procedure even after sitting for 4 months and should still work. I'm rambling. We'll catch you on the next one.